Alright. I think I finally got the hang of it.
He also has a pencil.
Yay.
And a eraser.
Ew. That's disgusting.
It is.
Yay, all gone.
Sure.
Aw.
You can see I already did 2 eggs.
I want this one to be 9.
Now
I
I'm
want
going to
this
just
one to
clean
have
it out.
I want
You
this
can
one.
see.
Is the pin still in this one?
Yes. You can see the water will go in.
Pen,
I can blow
a
it
pin
out.
fell in it.
Yeah.
She dropped it.
Cool.
Will it float?
See? Alright. Now they're ready to paint.
Yay.
So we can paint them now?
Okay.
All dry?
Oh, I stop?
Yes, please.
So we